Ever pondered the magic behind a simple tap or swipe on your smartphone? How does this plain, glassy surface recognize your touch, allowing you to interact with your favorite apps, scroll through photos, or type out a quick message? Today, we're going to unravel the science behind touchscreens, making complex technology simple. To comprehend the workings of a touchscreen, imagine it as a sandwich. The top layer is the one you interact with, typically a glass panel. Beneath it lies a layer that emits electric signals. The final layer acts as a sensor, interpreting these signals to pinpoint your touch. Let's start with the top layer. This is the part we see and interact with, a tough, scratch-resistant glass. It's not just any glass, but a special kind called capacitive glass. This glass holds an electrical charge, and that's where the magic begins. Now, picture the second layer, the one that emits electric signals. This layer is coated with a material that generates an electric field. This field remains stable until you touch the screen with your finger, which is also an electrical conductor. When you touch the screen, a part of the electric field gets disrupted. The change in the field is detected by the third layer, the sensor layer. This layer is a grid of tiny sensors that can precisely identify the point of contact, as each sensor is responsible for a particular point on the screen. The sensor layer then communicates this information to the processor of your device. It's the processor that interprets this data and translates it into the action you intended, whether it's opening an app, typing a letter, or moving an object on the screen. Now, if you're wondering why the screen doesn't react to a touch from a pencil or a gloved hand, it's because these materials are not conductive. The screen needs a conductor, like the human skin, to disrupt the electric field. This technology is not limited to smartphones alone. It's used in a variety of devices, from tablets and laptops to smart home appliances, and even car infotainment systems. So, to summarize, the magic of touchscreens lies in a clever combination of conductive glass, an electric field, and a grid of sensors. When you touch the screen, you disrupt the electric field. This disruption is detected by the sensors, which then communicate the location of your touch to the device's processor. The processor, in turn, translates this information into the action you intended. It's a complex process, happening in a blink of an eye, making our interaction with our devices seamless and intuitive. The next time you swipe through your screen, remember the intricate science that makes it all possible, turning a simple touch into a world of possibilities.